got you a spicy video. We're going to be making some heavy rhythm. I was a bit creative with this one, and it's still a little bit of a draft. But I wanted to show you guys how I got some really heavy rhythm results in this video. About to be giving so much juice away in this, so stick around for it. So this is what we're going to be making today. We're going to get into the drop. What I did with this kick flow is I tried to do something interesting. I have this simple beginning going boom, 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 then boom, 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 boom. You know, it's something to keep the listener in. And then I have my claps kind of just, I have a layered clap. Boom, boom. So that's nothing much with that. Then I have one hi-hat, and then I have another hi-hat that's detuned a little bit. Just a little bit, see? So, you know, both of them. One of them sounds like that. Both of them, they sound like this. I didn't do much background to this one yet, but I need to add background, so that's one thing. Remember, always add background in your drops. But for right now, we're just going over like the layout and the flow. I have this sound, right? And what I have on it is just an automation. And you know, see, the thing about making really good sounds in your tunes is automating stuff, random stuff. And this is on a pitch automation. Have it on triplets, so my sound is starting right at the kick. And then this is, that's just some like open. And then what I have is this constant what with a, so it kind of both mixes. And then I have this right here taking off from the first initial hit. So it kind of sounds a little different. So then all together it sounds like this. Like I said, also it's a pitch automation on the bend. But I pretty much just used a really curved kind of open type LFO. Had the LFO like this because I wanted it to be like wompy. And then I have it attached to my cutoff right here. And I have the cutoff like really low, so it kind of just goes wah, 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 you know. So, see. And really all I did here, seeing the distortion down sample, it's amazing. So much can happen from it. Also, turn up the volume all the way. We'll go into the mixer chain real quick of what's going on with the sound. Now, I'm pretty sure all the sounds are the same. I have a bunch of EQing, of course, cut off at like 200 because I'm pushing the sub just a little more. And then I have a Vocodex. Nothing too much crazy going on with the Vocodex. It's kind of just default settings. Then I have some more EQing here. This like really bad frequency, and then edits at the bottom. Oh, it's also going into another chain, so it's routed into this chain. And what I have here is I have some this flanger, right? But it's not really a flanger. What I'm using from it is right here. It's called ultra fat chorus, and it just makes your sound so fat. Without it, it sounds like this. You see what I'm saying? And then I have the reverb. Without it, it sounds like this. You see what I'm saying? And then I have the reverb. And this is pretty much default too. All I really did here is turn down the wet, turn down the size a little bit, the delays off, add some more EQs just in case, just to clean up some more sounds. And that's pretty much about it. And then when it comes to like with these, so I just wanted to make something that's more open. It's kind of the same thing here. So what I did here is just kind of like a basic wave. Same thing. I added the LFO to the cutoff. Try to find something cool. Kind of something that works same. It's something that's the same variety. And then I just used a down sample. And then I had that kind of just. So how I made this sound is pretty much the same thing. I think it's on the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. I just changed the wavetable position a little bit. Got a really nice vibe out of that. Changed the reverb position a little bit. Changed the downsample position a little bit. Produced an amazing result. I don't think I even did an automation on this one. So this one, all I did here is I wanted to change up it again. So this, like, I did that a lot where I have it just kind of changing on the initial hit. So how I did this sound, this one was a little difficult because I had to clean it a lot. But I just pretty much took basic shapes again, changed the LFO just a little bit, downsample and reverb. But this one was a lot of EQing, same process chain and everything, but just a lot more EQing. You know what I mean? So yeah, I was just trying to be really different, but using the same process chain, but at the same time being different in variety. So with the sub, all I'm really doing is I'm cutting it to a 150, pushing it a lot with Sound Goodizer, Blood Overdrive. Of course, you know how I am. Remember, Sound Goodizer on half though, and then some wave shaping, and then I got the Fruity Pro L2, pushing it about -3 gain reduction. But yeah, I guess fat sub. But that's all I'm doing with the sub. Reverb filtering will help you a lot with that heavier sound if you're trying to get some heavier rhythm. But yeah, I hope this helped you out. You know, you want to try to just write and do it a flow. Don't just do what everyone else is doing. Try to do something unique and be unique with it, you know? Just be unique with it. Try to switch up a lot and do stuff like that. Yeah, and that's about it. So I hope this helped you out. And if you want more, subscribe, like, comment, keep it up. Don't give up. Just know there's only up, and we're all doing this for fun. So don't beat yourself up at the end of the day if you can't make something. Just keep it up and keep on trying. You know what I mean? You'll make something. So peace out, guys. Keep it easy. Keep safe.